God will fight for you no matter what you are facing. Remember in the book of Deuteronomy 20 verse 4, the Lord your God is the one who goes with you to fight for you against your enemies to give you victory. If we read in 2 Peter verse 3 to 9, the Lord is not slow in keeping His promise, as some understand slowness. Instead, He is patient with you, not wanting anyone to perish, but everyone to come to repentance. It is His promise. And if we read Ephesians 4 verse 32, be kind to each other, tender-hearted, forgiving one another, just as God through Christ has forgiven you. Because only the love of God can satisfy the emptiness you feel inside your heart.